starfish wrestling. What are you doing? Alex!
I wish we would have thought to turn that into a costume.
Hi, kiddo! You're so cute. You got the starfish? You got him? I got him, Mom. You got him. Hi, you. Alex! Hi, sweetheart. What you doing? What you doing? Handsome boy. Good boy. Say bye-bye.